In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Authenticator not working. Easy fix. If your two-factor codes keep getting rejected or seem out of sync, the most common cause is that your device's clock and the app's internal clock are slightly different. The good news is there's a built-in fix that usually resolves this in seconds. I'll walk you through it, then show you what to do if you're still locked out. Start by opening the Google Authenticator app on your device. Give it a moment to load your account so you can see your codes cycling. We're going straight into the app's settings to make a quick adjustment that realigns the time used to generate those 6-digit codes. Inside the app, open the menu and go to Settings. Depending on your device, the menu might look like 3 horizontal lines, 3 dots, or a small gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look for an option called Time Correction for Codes. This is the key. Tap it, then choose Sync Now. What this does is refresh the time reference that Google Authenticator uses to calculate your codes. It won't change your phone's clock, and it won't remove any accounts from the app. After the sync completes, go back to your codes and try signing in again. Enter the code promptly, keeping an eye on the countdown indicator. If it's close to expiring, wait for the next one to appear and enter it right away. If the code still doesn't work, close the Authenticator app completely and reopen it. On most phones, that means opening your recent apps view and swiping Authenticator away so it's not running in the background, then launching it fresh. If your device has been on for a long time or feels glitchy, a full restart can help clear temporary issues that interfere with code generation. After relaunching or restarting, try the code again. If you can't get into an account at all, use the backup codes you saved when you first set up two-factor authentication. These one-time codes are designed exactly for situations like this. Locate your saved backup codes, often stored in a password manager or a secure note. Then, at the 2FA prompt for that account, choose the option to use a backup or recovery code and enter one. Remember, each backup code can only be used once, so mark it as used and store the remaining ones safely. That's it. Open Authenticator, adjust the time correction and sync, relaunch or restart to clear glitches, and if you're locked out, fall back on your backup codes. Follow these steps and you should be back in quickly and securely.